Good morning, students. I'm your Vittal school teacher. Today, Monday. Hope you all doing well, right? Are you all happy? Okay. Had your breakfast? Yes. Today, we are going to see the maths numerical, right? Last class, you have seen kids maths 1, 2, 3, right? Already you have seen number 1. Today we continue the number 2. How we can write 2 like that? First we have to practice in dot. We have to join the dot line of 2. Like that we have to start here. Like we have to join the dots. We have to write on the lines. Here see, we have to write 2. 2, T-W-O, 2. See, T-W-O, 2, T-W-O, 2. We have to join the dots 2 and practice well, okay? You have to know how to write 2. We have to join 2. First, we have to know. Join the dots. Okay. Then, we have to write it on. 2. Like that. 2. 2. 2. You have to say and write. Okay, students? What it is? It is 2. 2. T-O-W. 2. You have to write it in your book. 2. Before that it is 1, right? 1 apple. Here they give 2 flowers. 1 and 2. 2 flowers. 2. 2. You have to write it in your book. 2. Students, are you all write it in your book? Good. You have to write. What it is? It is 2. T-W-O. T-W-O. 2. It is in letters 2. T-W-O. 2. In numerical letter 2. Students, you all know how to write 2? Yes. And then 3. See, 3 band, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 cards is there, right? So, spelling T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Let me write. First, we have to join the dots. Yes. Let me start here. Slowly, you have to join the dots. Okay, students. Slowly, you have to do. Like that, you have to join the dots. 3. First, you have to join the dots. And then you have to write it in the blanks box. What it is? It is 3. It is 3. Three. Yes. Students, are you all complete the dot line? Yes. It is 3. We have to, let me write the 3. 3. What it is? 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H or E-E. 3. You have to say with right, okay? Say and write. T-H or E-E. 3. What it is? 3. We already know how to write 1 and 2. Now 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H or E-E. Students, you have to say after me, okay? 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H or E-E. 3. How to write 3? Like that. First we have to join. First we have to join the dot lines, right? Like that. We have to write 3 like that. 3. And 4. You have to know, right? 1, 1, O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. And then 3. T-H or E-E. 3. T-H or E-E. 3. And then 4. Here 4 quints is there, right? 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Let me join the dots. Yes. First we have to start slanting dots and then the straight line, and finally we have to join the straight line. Slanting line first and horizontal line and vertical line. First we have to start from here and then we have to join the dot line. What it is? It is 4. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. What it is? Number 4. Like slanting, then yes. First and then 4. 4. 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. Students, you have to write with me, okay? You have to say along with me as 4. F-O-U-R, 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Say after me. F-O-U-R, 4. What is the numerical letter? It is 4. Numerical number, right? 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Yes. Students, are you all write it in your book? You have to write along with me, okay? And then we have to know 1, O-N-E, 1, 2, T-W-O, 2, and 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, and 4, F-O-U-R, 4, and then 5, right? And then 5. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Let me count. Here they give mangoes, right? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like that. Yes. Okay, students. Let us know how to write 5. Yes. First, what we have to do? First, we have to join the dot lines, right? So, let me start. Let me start from the edge of the dot line. See? 5. What it is? It is 5. We have to join the dot lines first. 5. 5. 5. And 5. What it is? What is the number it is? This number is 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Let me write number 5. 5. 5. What is the number? 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. How to write 5? We have to write 5 like that. Okay. Students, you have to write it in your book. 5. What is the number is this? It is number 5. It is number 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5. F-I-V-E. Students, you have to read loudly and you have to write. Okay, you have to write with read. 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. 5. Here before that 1. This 1. 1 apple. And here 2 flowers, right? 1, let me count. 1, 2. 2 flowers is there. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. And then here 1, 2 and 3. 3 cars is there, right? 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. And here 4 queens. Let me count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They give 5 mangoes, right? 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. And then match the objects with their numbers. Here they give more objects and they give number also, right? We have to count the objects and we have to match the correct object number. We have to match the object with these numbers. We already know, right? First we have to count the match the objects with their numbers. First they give Barbie's doll, right? Here let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here they give 5 objects, right? 5 objects. We have to match the objects with the number. Here 5 objects, right? So where it is match? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they give 5. So we have to match the number 5. So you have to take your scale and pencil. You have to draw a line from the 5 dolls to the number 5. And then they give parrot, birds, right? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 birds is there, no? So we have to match number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to match the birds to the number 4. And then here 1 elephant. 1 elephant is there, no? 1. 1. Here see 1. We have to match the number 1. And then let me count the apple. It is fruit, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 apples they given, right? So we have to match number 3. And then car. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have to match the car to the number 2. Yes. Okay, students, are you all understood? You have to match the number with the objects. Here, write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. Here they give 1 and last box is 5. It is train, right? We have to count the boxes in the train. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1 is there and 5 is there. But here we have to fill 2, 3, 4. Yes, let me fill the box. 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Students, are you all understood? From number 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Before that, we have to recall. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students, you have to practice well number 1 to 5. Okay, keep safe at your home. Thank you, students. Have a great day.